To make sure that you will understand the concept very well, I will break the coding section into two parts. In this video, we will make a Putty.exe program persistent, and in the next video, we will wrap up and integrate the persistence script within our previous HTTP reverse shell. So if you are ready, let's get started. You can search on Google and download Putty software for free. So let me just organize the window here a little bit. Okay, so as we explained earlier, our script will start with doing a system reconnaissance, and the output of this phase is gonna be two things. So first, the current working directory, and the destination or the user profile. Now let's translate this phase into a code, and this phase will be represented in the following lines. So these lines are gonna do the reconnaissance phase for us. The os.getCwd function will get the current working directory for us. Let's see the output of this line using Python interactive shell or Python interactive window. So I will just open a command prompt and I will navigate to the current working directory for this folder, and I will start a Python interactive mode. So I will do import os and print os.getCwd. So we got the current working directory here for our script, and this result will be stored on the path variable. Next, we invoke setUserProfile into subprocess, and we use this step to grab the user profile name, and based on it, we can build our destination path, which is the documents folder. So let me try this variable into a command prompt. Okay, the output is a little bit noisy, so we will split the output and store the second part in a variable called userprof. So the splitting criteria or parameter based on the equal mark. So based on the equal, we will split this one into two sections, the output into two sections. The second section will be stored in a variable called userprof. And once we know this information, at this point, we can build our destination path, which is one more time, which is the document folder. So here's the destination path. We append documents and Putty.exe string to have the destination absolute path. Notice that the username, so this is the Putty.exe appending. Notice that the username here is not unknown anymore. At this point, we have accomplished our reconnaissance first successfully. Moving on to check if it's our first time we land into this computer, we're gonna do this trick via an OS function called pathExists. If Putty.exe does not exist on the document folder, this means that this is the first time we do run our script here. Because on the next time, the Putty will be copied and the result of this if statement will be false. So if this is our first time, then we will copy the Putty and this is the source and destination variables. Next, we will add a registry key in the user space. Note that I used a user space, not a machine space on purpose, and my goal by doing that is by using the user space, our script is gonna work even if we don't have an admin privilege. I named the registry key string as regUpdater. You can change it later to anything else, and point its value to our final destination. Here in this video, we don't have a shell, it's just a putty.exe. So this part will be discussed in the next video. Before running this script, let's verify that we got nothing in the registry database related to our script. So I will go to registry editor, and our path is going to be in run, so we got nothing here. And I will also navigate to the documents folder. And also we got nothing. So last thing, let me just make sure that the Putty software itself is functional. So I will do a run and it's working. So I'm gonna run the script right now. Okay, we got no exception or error. So let's verify the database of the registry, and fair enough, we got here our registry key pointing to this directory in the document, and we can see that the Putty has been copied to the document directory or folder. So right now I will close everything and restart the virtual box. Now once again, if everything is working fine, once we boot our machine, we should see that the putty.exe has been executed and the window of the Putty will pop up. And fair enough, here's the Putty has been executed. Wonderful. Now, as we said at the beginning on our video, in the next video, we're gonna make our HTTP reverse shell more intelligent to do all of these steps within a built-in function. So I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you very much.